This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
27, I am for the petitioner. But this matter, Lordship may remember, I am challenging the list of Group D, Group C, my lord, allegedly tainted candidates on grounds. On the last occasion, my lord, I had prayed that the commission should take a stand in respect of this Group D, Group C candidates as to whether they have included the candidates who were there in the expired panel and whether they have included their names or not. Now, my lord, I will try to substantiate as to the, my lord, Lordship is, my lord, taking up the matters. My lord, there are several matters. By now, my lord, the Supreme Court order is by heart. But, my lord, I would like to substantiate, my lord, and show what was the basis of the orders and what were the, my lord, the divisions of categories. Because I am trying to substantiate before a Lordship that the Honorable Division Bench, in an order, Division Bench, my lord, presided over by Honorable Justice Chen, has been pleased to, my lord, categorize as to who would be constituted to be tainted on these three. First is the persons who have been appointed after expiry of the panel. Second is persons who have deposited the blank OMRs. Third is, my lord, the persons who have, my lord, the expired outside panel, expiry panel, and blank OMR. Now, my lord, I'll try to substantiate who are these persons, from where these findings have been arrived. That is why, my lord, on the last occasion, I have drawn your lordship's kind attention to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court, my lord. If your lordship wants, I can again, my lord, draw, but good, bad, indifferent, lordship has not yet called for any report. My lord, if anything is passed, it can be said that there has to be an opportunity given to them too. But only one thing, my lord, even if your lordship, because the matters are fixed on 13th, I think, with regard to the teachers.
It is staggered way it has been fixed.
Yes. So therefore, these questions will come. If they come and say that, yes, we have included the expiry panel candidates in this list, then the question would arise as to why you have not included the expiry panel candidates in the teachers list.
Here is
Group C, Group D.
Group C, Group D, and the expiry candidates appointed after expiry of the panel has been treated in the tainted list?
Yeah, I don't know. That is what they have to come up with a stand. My contention is that they have not included. If they come, my last paragraph 5 was, I had prayed, prayer has been made to direct the commission to produce the list of candidates of Group D,
And
Group C.
It's been passed.
No, it has.
Just 2 days back, possibly directing the commission
Yes.
to come up with a panel for the teaching staff.
Teachers, yes.
Same principle will apply here also.
Now, my lord, if it appears that they have included the expiry panel candidates in the tainted list in respect of Group D, Group C, then they have to explain as to why they have not taken the same stand in respect of the teachers. Because paragraph 31 of the Supreme Court is same.
No, as of now, whether the candidates who were appointed after the expiry of the panel have been included or not, you do not know.
Yes. Because it has to, they have the documents, they can scrutinize, because paragraph
requirement
51,
of coming up with a fresh panel is also this.
In my instruction, insofar as Group C, Group D is concerned, that no one was appointed after expiry of the
oh, let it come on record then, I'll substantiate.
That is number one. That is my first submission. Insofar as the issue that is being sought to be canvassed before your lordship, we are covered by this judgment in respect of teachers, where Mr. Lahiri also had the occasion to appear.
That I'll show. I have annexed everything. It is there. It is the first matter. There, my lord, the teachers' issue was that first question was what put to me by the court was
better that you file a report. What are the issues primarily?
Primarily issue is I am challenging the
List
saying that persons who should have been included have not been included, and persons who should not have been included, like us,
the
have
list
been
has not been properly prepared.
Yes,
No.
list is challenged. It may be in both ways. That is, my lord, Somparkosh order, my lord. I have annexed that, my lord. That is distinguishable. Yes, that is distinguishable. In fact, I moved that.
Yes.
Oh, no, not this. Oh, yes. This one. Now, my lord, there, teachers matter. What was the first question put to me was, what were you doing after you were excluded on 17th May order? On 17th May, the commission went up to the Honorable Supreme Court. I have annexed the order, but lordship remembers. I will not trouble your lordship. On 17th May, the honorable the commission had approached the Supreme Court saying that we are not being able to run our institution. Kindly allows us to continue with the services of the Group D, Group C, teaching staff, everyone. The Honorable Supreme Court was of the view that since Group D, Group C, the percentage was higher, we will not allow them to continue, the teachers will continue. So from 17th May, the teachers knew that they are somewhat in the tainted list. Now, when the tainted list was published, when it was challenged, the first question which was put to me by the Honorable Bench was that what were you doing from May? Why have you come now? On that point, my lord, the single bench held against me. We had approached the Honorable Division Bench. Honorable Division Bench upheld the order. But in this case, the my lord, Group D, Group C candidates were all through. My lord, this is for the first time they have come to know that they have been included in the tainted list. So therefore, on facts and on the place, the order, if your lordship sees, that is the reasoning of the order passed by the Honorable Single Bench. I have annexed the order of the Honorable Division Bench. I can draw your lordship's kind attention, my lord, quickly to that part. So therefore, teachers' matters is totally distinguishable.
The petitioners allege that
Only one part, my lord, if your lordship is of minded of directing filing of report, they should specify as to whether they have included the expiry panel candidates in this list or not. Other reports, yes, they have the right to, my lord, say whatever they like, but this point has to be clarified. Because if they say that we have not included, one kind of argument. If they say they have included,
because this is the document. In 2019, this is the document. The panel expired. We have not appointed anyone from the expired.
Let this come on record. I will not go into oral arguments.
this must be there in the website.
Yes, it is there in the Supreme Court. It is there, my lord. I have, my lord. It is there in this 11,000 compilation. This was
That
there.
panel and waiting list in
Expired.
relation to third RLST for recruitment of such and such expired on 18th May.
Yes,
2019.
lordship has been handed over a document of 2nd September 2019. It was there before the page 2463.
So
Let them say whatever they want. Let it come on record so that I can deal it. They have to take a stand.
when was the list of tainted candidates in Group C, Group D published?
Yes, kindly comes.
Group C, Group D, the impugned list. The impugned list, my lord, if your lordship sees, will not, if your lordship sees, there is no date. But, my lord,
3rd November.
it was published on
2025.
3rd November, yes. Same footing like us. They are.
কিছু বলেছিলাম
What's the page is called?
the petitioners
সরকার পেয়ে
um
খাজনা পেয়ে গেছে খাজনা পেয়ে
no, the petitioner
court
ঠিক আছে the
দিয়ে-
petitioners challenge the list of tainted candidates in respect of Group C and Group D for recruitment in 2nd SLST 2025. Specific submission is that the list has not been properly prepared. The candidates whose names ought to have been included in the list have been illegally and arbitrarily excluded.
expiry and others. Yes, that is my submission. That is my sorry.
The candidates who have been excluded ought to have been included in the list. Next. The list which is impugned herein was published on 3rd of February
November
or 3rd
2025.
November 2025. Paragraph. According to the commission, the list was properly prepared by verifying all details. ঠিক আছে? Next. To decide the issue conclusively, the commission is directed to prepare a report by way of affidavit. The report shall mention the ground for including the candidates in the list of tainted candidates. It should specific mention shall be made as to whether the candidate had been appointed after the expiry of the panel, or there was OMR mismatch, or the candidate was appointed out of the panel, or what are the other
Three.
categories?
Three.
Three.
Blank OMRs.
OMR mismatch.
These are the three categories.
This
Dakha.
Rank jump.
rank jump.
Rank jumping
And
is
the rank
included.
jumping.
That is the point. Rank jumping is again included. Rank jumping is what? Persons who have got lesser
Lower
marks
rank has
has been. So these are the persons who are out of
Okay,
panel who had
Shakti,
subsequently come. These are the real culprits for which we have lost.
More than appointed than recommended. No, out of panel. Provided they will be in the panel.
rank jump.
Insofar as one issue, expiry panel.
হ্যাঁ, সেটা দেখাবো তো।
Issue is being sought to be raised. And I don't think, there is a government
পড়াও।
or a responding to it.
No, maybe because he challenges the entire panel. You give the category.
Seeing this from the bar.
Now, I've challenged the panel.
He sees the relief straight for.
I've challenged the panel.
Please come to the relief straight for. And I may be wrong, kindly see page 97. Where is his relief? Substantial relief paid for?
To transmit the records
Transmit
and
the
the
records is
impugned list.
Yes, I'm challenging the list.
To cancel, rescind, recall the notices and the impugned list dated such and such.
And then an interim order allowing him to participate.
No, and there is some mention about the list.
List. I'm
Cancellation
challenging
of the list.
We can, with respect, but in the absence of what we have.
Proper pleadings.
How can we meet an allegation?
All right, now the court has made it clear. There are 4 grounds, 4 categories rather.
The court is making it.
Oh. What was paragraph 37 of that judgment? It was placed on the last day.
37 of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Appointed then recommended.
Paragraph 37 of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yes.
Yes, just a minute.
37 is.
A discrepancy in the recommendation made by, that is the SSC recommendation and the.
That begins with that.
Yes.
Finding recorded in the impugned judgment
means-
regarding this recommendation made by the
Excess appointment letters issued by the
Yes.
board.
number of candidates recommended for appointment, then number of appointment.
আরেকটা লিখে দিন। And
Policy
rank jump
disparities
পরে
in
and
the
the excess appointment letters issued by the board in favor of the candidates.
Today, in Shampa Ghosh matter, if your lordship kindly falls back to that order.
Then, my lord, may I please?
No, 1 minute.
Please see the order.
This order was passed on 2nd of September.
Which-
Your list was published in November.
November.
Two. Let us look at the stand of not here. It will be the same stand, more or less, apart from teacher and non-teacher. Now, please come to paragraph 11.
Yes.
Learned senior counsel representing the commission. I'm sorry.
Yes.
Submit that apart from the aforesaid 3 categories of tainted candidates as described in paragraph 363(4) of the judgment. Now, what are the categories, your lordship will be pleased to find in paragraph 9. Just fall back.
Division.
7, paragraph 7. In order to contend, somewhere in the middle of paragraph 7,
Yes.
that the petitioners are not coming under the category of tainted candidates as defined in 363(4) of the judgment. It is
Achha,
further
achha.
contended that
Yes.
as per observations made by the Honorable Division Bench in the judgment dated such and such, persons who had been appointed outside the panel or after expiry of panel or who submitted blank OMR ought to be treated as tainted, but petitioners are not coming under those categories. Therefore, the cancellation of their admit cards, etc., is by publication of this was not warranted. In addition, reliance is placed in on the observations made by the Honorable Supreme Court in Boishaki, where in paragraph 31 it was discussed that it was not significant so far cases of rank jumping and direction given by the High Court to appoint candidates after expiry of the validity of the panel at the stage when the court was not aware of illegalities of appointment procedure. Based on several considerations, including rank jumping and appointment of candidates after expiry of validity of panel, ultimately conclusion was derived in paragraph 45 of the judgment dated such and such, wherein it was held that there was no valid ground or reason to interfere with the direction of the High Court that the service of tainted candidates were where appointed must be terminated and they should be required to refund any salaries.
Okay.
It is also submitted on behalf of the petitioners that the observations made by the Honorable Division Bench in 363(4) were not interfered with by the Honorable Supreme Court in its judgment dated this. Therefore, identification of tainted candidates needs to be based on 3 categories as delineated in paragraph 363(4) of the judgment such and such. According to the petitioners, some of the candidates were allowed to continue their service, but they were appointed after expiry of the panel and their names do not feature in the list. Then, on the contrary, learned senior counsel representing the commission submits that apart from the aforesaid 3 categories of tainted candidates as described in paragraph 363(4) of the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench, dated these other categories of tainted candidates involving rank jumping and candidates identified by Central Bureau of Investigation were taken into consideration by the Honorable Supreme Court in the judgment dated such and such, delivered in such and such, supra, as it appears from paragraph 25 and 26. It is specifically submitted that the list of tainted candidates dated this was also prepared based on report of CBI indicating that there were cases of OMR mismatches and the commission found them as tainted candidates. Consequently, those candidates were included in the list dated such and such. According to the commission, categories of tainted candidates ought not to be confined to the categories as contained in paragraph 363(4) of the judgment. Honorable Division Bench judgment dated this. It is also submitted.
These are all submissions. When it comes to the
passed by the Honorable Supreme Court in such and such, whereby the Honorable Supreme Court permitted only untainted assistant teachers to continue to function till 1st December 25. Authorities in terms of the Honorable Supreme Court such and such, after identifying untainted candidates, permitted only them to work as assistant teachers till such and such. None of the petitioners.
What are you trying to show?
The ultimate conclusion.
paragraph 18.
On consideration of egregious illegalities and fraud as found by the Honorable Supreme Court, paragraph 16. In the judgment dated this, categorization of tainted candidates as made by the Honorable Division Bench in such and such is probable categorization. There can be other good reasons for finding tainted candidates. In consideration of gamut of illegalities and irregularities found by the Honorable Supreme Court and the Honorable Division Bench, it is permissible to infer that there are different categories of tainted candidates beyond the stipulations contained in this 363(4) of the judgment of the Honorable Division Bench. Today it is submitted on behalf of the Commission that as per the CBI report, there are cases of OMR mismatches and the candidates involved therein are identified as...
It's all right. So nothing.
Paragraph 18, please see paragraph 18.
I've seen it.
Yes.
Please see paragraph 18, but at the same time,
Moreover, not a single petitioner before this court was permitted to function. That is the point.
Yes.
They are not functioning.
No, we were not functioning.
Names are there in the list.
Yes.
Point in the division bench was from 17. Why did you skip tight? Sit tight, and thereafter it was subsequent.
21.
Pending consideration.
Yes. Now it is not. Now it has been given. It is after the order.
Containing names of tainted. Therefore, this court finds these are not fit cases that court the list.
Right.
Yes. List of teachers, non-teachers. Teachers,
Doesn't
not
matter.
non-teachers.
And this was while Vivek Paria was pending. Now it has been remitted.
কি বললাম শেষের দিকটা so the categories have been mentioned ঠিক আছে such report shall be prepared and circulated by Povix will be all right with you.
My lord, kindly keep it on 13th, my lord.
No, by 13th it is not possible.
13th means
13 with the other
Wednesday.
No, not this. No. Other batch of writ petitions are there where Joshua is considering the expiry panel, my lord.
No, these are coming on staggered basis. I have fixed matters in February also.
2nd also.
February also.
7th also.
Yes, there are matters I have fixed. Even February matters have been
10th
fixed.
February.
Because arguments would be made by me if I find from their affidavit. There will be subsequent arguments. Now,
Okay, let them prepare.
also another submission. Can you record that it has been submitted that they have not appointed any person after expiry of panel? Very important
What
submission.
is the use? They'll file it. Recording submission will not do. They'll come up in by
Okay, let it come on record. If they do not
by
say
way
that,
of affidavit.
yes.
Yes. Today is 9th. I give you 4 weeks time, so it's 6th of February.
4 weeks.
Reply. 1 week will be all right.
Yes.
13th.
And may not even use the reply.
The list 23rd of February.
You are fixed on?
23rd of February.
And my lord,
Can
one
five?
point, my lord.
Lordship, can 1 to 4.
Huh?
1 to 4 of the addition of party application.
Addition of party.
These are all addition of party.
Do you fall in the same line as that of the
They are
petitioners?
They are saying so.
Or you are challenging?
No, Lordship. We are the
Same.
Same.
Acha.
1 can 6 has been filed today, my lord. It has been served.
SJ 6. That is also in the same line of the petitioner. Acha. 6 connected applications have been filed seeking addition of party. Stop paragraph. As it appears that the that any order passed in the instant writ petition may have an effect on the applicants. Accordingly, all the applications are allowed. Stop. Can 6 is not in the days list. The same is treated as on days list and stands disposed of. 6 of 20, 26 hobe. 26 hobe. And the department is directed to add the names of the applicants as respondents in the cause title of the writ petition.
Let this be done by the advocate and record, because department will take.
No,
will
no, no.
keep
That,
the,
don't worry. The
printed-
department is working at very fast pace.
Good.
Take this document back.
And my lord, another thing, my lord, let it be
You can
clear
take this
amongst
back
us.
also.
My lord,
This is annexed, he
but
says.
I don't want to, my lord, burden the records by annexing everything. I'll be relying upon the judgments of the Supreme Court and of this Honorable Court, which I'll give the soft copies, my lord.
Next 27.
SLST, now your lordship is taking up this. Some other group.
Now I'll take up 27.
27 is my matter.
Oh, this is 27. হয়ে গেল। এবারে 930 to 939.
So, the second SLST group may be taken up.
I do not know how the list is going to.
কিছু কিছু গুজে গুজে আছে।
Yes, how it will. You must be here. You are not going out. What?
Matter is being called.
Go. Somebody must be here. Yes.
Diploma.
Yes.
So there, your lordship, page number 6 has my lord got this one.
Yes.
So there, if I request your lordship, see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth paragraph, my lord, it would be question number 20.
Yes.
So my lord, that was question booklet series A, question number 20, suggested answer by candidate. More than one answer is correct. So that was my objection. Then my lord, if I request your lordship, see my lord, the report filed my learned senior friend's client. So, my lord, the report looks like this one.
Yes, yes.
So, my lord, second page of the report, your lordship sees. My lord, serial number 1. So, they say that question number 2 of series A of the master series. So, they say that challenge during the objection. Petitioner suggested that the question is wrong or out of the syllabus. But my lord, lordship has seen in the supplementary affidavit, what did I, my lord, basically object?
Question number 2 of series A.
Yes.
Question number 2 of series A. Question is wrong or out of syllabus. This is what you submitted.
My lord,
Page 6.
page 6.
At the top.
No, that is one of the objections. Kindly comes down to 4th. There are
No,
two
they
objections.
have treated
Only that one.
in the report. See, the very first serial number is
Yes.
question 2. Question 2 is
Yes.
at the top. Question
Yes.
is wrong or out of syllabus.
Right. Question is wrong or out of syllabus. They have just regarded that objection of mine. But lordship, in supplementary affidavit, page 6, lordship has seen.
No, this is a different question. This is question number 20. The
No,
other one is question is 2.
I'm so sorry, man. My bad. My bad. I'm so sorry, my lord. It is page number 8. The 20 and 2, my lord, I mixed up myself. Page number 8. I'm so sorry, man. Of the supplementary affidavit.
Yes.
My lord, third paragraph.
Third paragraph.
Question number 2.
Question number 2.
My lord, does
More
booklet
than
series
one
A?
answer
Answer is correct. That was my objection.
A to D.
My lord, D was the right answer, they say.
Hey, ready? Outside. A 2.
Yes.
Question number 2 of series A.
Yes.
Question 21 of master series.
That is different. But that is
Question number 2 of
so
series
series
A.
A. Yes.
More than one answer is correct.
Yes.
Question is wrong or out of syllabus.
Yes. Now, my lord, kindly sees the fifth column, last column, expert committee review.
Hmm.
My lord, it says that answer key suggested option is D is correct on D to be correct. And then, my lord, the annexure given with the report. Could your lordship, my lord, see this page where this one, in the report.
Yes,
Lordship has seen this page.
yes.
Then, my lord, it is a note sheet of the experts. Lordship sees question number 2. Options B and D both are correct. My lord, then my lord comes back to the report second page. Report second page.
Report second page. Report second page, yes.
Expert committee review. My lord, the answer says preliminary answer ki suggested option D to be correct,
Right.
and experts advocate that B was correct and option D was wrong. So that must be an inadvertent error by them. So, my lord, in the note sheet, the experts say that B and D both are correct. But while, my lord, making this chart, they say D is wrong. Moreover, I did not even say this. I said that all of them are right. That was never considered. This is one. My lord, then, my lord, kindly, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Then kindly, my lord, report internal page 2. Question number 7. Means that is the serial number 2 in report.
A report, question number 2.
My lord, the next one. Question number 7.
Question 7, series A.
Series A. Well, it says, petitioner suggested that the question is wrong or out of syllabus. Yes, I suggested that.
All right.
Then, my lord, kindly see the answer. Means it says, answer key suggested option A to be correct. Expert concurred with the preliminary answer. So, my objection was not that. My lord, the answer is said to be, the answer is correct. I did not say the answer was wrong. I said that it was out of the syllabus.
Question is wrong or out of syllabus.
Yes. Yes.
So there is no finding as to whether it was
Yes.
in the syllabus or
Yes.
the question was.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. And my lord, the last one, I just disturb your lordship with this. The third page of the report. My lord, which is serial number 5. Third page of the report. It is question number 20. So question number 20, I said that more than one answer was correct. Then my lord kindly sees that it is said answer, the lordship sees the preliminary answer key suggested option B to be correct. Expert concurred with the preliminary answer. But
that means B.
B only correct. Or not only. If could have been written only, that could have been mitigate my grievance.
No, this can be taken to be only. This I am not.
Because this, on the previous occasion, I was successful in creating doubt in lordship's mind by this question only. Because this was the
No,
question.
I'm not going into the question.
Yes,
the
yes.
court is not an expert, so the
Yes,
court
madam.
doesn't know.
So there,
It said more than one answer is correct. The preliminary answer key said B is correct. Experts opined, concurred that B is correct, right? So this question number 20 goes.
so then, my lord, the last mine was 25, but 25 they have, my lord, I must, my lord, admit, they have correctly, my lord, indicated that I did not object at the time when I ought to object.
All right, so that goes.
That goes.
So right now only serial
27.
numbers A and 1 and 2,
1 and
that
2.
is question 2 and question 7.
So, my lord, my prayer before your lordship at this particular juncture
How
was,
many marks short?
but I have already obtained 49 out of 60. So, my lord,
Cut off?
my lord, I'm a very good student here. So, I'm already, my lord, through the cutoff.
All right.
So, my lord, if this particular answer should have been there, my rank would have been much higher. And lordship will kindly see that what I prayed today before this honorable court, that I said that after stating the entire thing, annexing all these documents, I already wrote to them. Kindly consider my case. By seeing this, by giving this to the experts, this could have been, my lord, solved otherwise.
No,
If
but then
could
they
done this-
have obtained the
No,
expert's
it is
opinion.
after this, because since they have, my lord, misled by themselves, because lordship has seen this 2 and 7. So if they could answer to this, my lord, that then also, my lord, my grievance
No,
would be-
they do not have any control over the experts and they will not be able to answer whatever is there in the report. They will follow
they
that.
will follow.
Yes.
So I just request your lordship, my lord, they should, my lord,
Would you like to press it now or would I adjourn it? See whether you get the job or not.
my lord, if they could, my lord, just see this, my lord, my mark would be, my lord, higher by 2 marks. By 2 marks. And they must not be having any other answer which they have, my lord, depicted here in the report. So, my lord, subject to what my lord senior my lord says. So, my lord, kindly, my lord, my request before your lordship, kindly, my lord, reconsider my case with respect to 2 and 7. My grievance is over.
Commission.
Not kindly come to the report of that.
Yes, your report only.
That is the report.
Yes, page number 2. First serial number.
Question number 2.
Question number 2.
Option A and B both are correct.
Option B and D.
Both are correct.
Where from are you reading?
This is
The chart.
No, report. Not I am relying on expert. Because one portion I think that it seems that if it is one part is correct.
Yes.
I am reading from the expert.
Yes, it says B and D both are correct, but in the chart you have mentioned that it is incorrect.
That is
B was correct and D was wrong.
correct.
It was incorrectly said.
That's-
So it is
Could have go by that.
B and D both are correct. And petitioner suggests that the
Number 5.
1 minute. The challenge of the petitioner was that the question is wrong or out of syllabus. It is not correct or incorrect.
No.
Question is wrong. Which one? Question number 5.
No, serial number 1. First one. Question 2. Chart.
Question number 1.
Just now that you read.
Serial number 1.
Serial number 1.
Let's do question number 2.
Question number 2. Objection is of the petitioner is that the question is wrong or out of syllabus.
This is
The-
not wrongly typed. The exact would be that expert's report, which have
No, expert report I'll see, but the objection of the petitioner was that it is either a wrong question or out of syllabus question. There is
That's not correct. What he is saying, that's not correct. Our answer is both the question B and D are correct. It is not a wrong question.
and not out of syllabus. All right. And question 7.
Question number 7.
Hmm.
Question number 7. Very good. Question number. Petitioner suggests the question is wrong or out of the syllabus. Every answer is suggested options A to be correct. Expert function with the preliminary answer. Concur with the preliminary. Either the question is wrong or out of the syllabus, that's also not correct.
Not correct.
We have dealt with it in paragraph 7.
And
That's the exam.
these are the 2 questions. So you are out.
But what Malad has fallen for Malad senior with respect to one, Malad, the recording of them that I suggested the question was wrong or out of syllabus. That is one of the objections. Another was the same, which Malad senior friend said that more than one answers was right.
No, they say that it is only B and D both are correct. B and D.
So in that event, Malad, my complaint was right.
Which in which one did you put a tick?
But,
B or D?
that I'll have to see, Malad.
Then
But
He
B,
is complaining
no,
that is a
no. What I'm saying, Malad, I'm saying this.
all
that
right. If you
more
have
than-
not ticked B or D,
Yes.
then you do not get marks.
Malad, D possibly, Malad, that I'll just apprise to your lordship. D possibly I ticked,
possibly not.
but I'll just apprise to your
Stick up.
lordship. I'll do
Because
that. I'll do
there was chance
Yes,
given
yes.
to you for filing an exception.
Yes.
You did not. And the next one also, it is the same thing.
But
It
next
is-
one, Malad, is completely, it is completely on the face. They suggested I suggested the question was wrong or out of the syllabus.
Hmm.
The answer, it was never, Malad, scanned through that, Malad, query. It was said that whether the answer is right or wrong. So I never said
It
that the
is-
answer was wrong.
No, they say that the question was proper.
Malad, that is their contention. Lordship will see.
Question
This
is
evident.
proper.
Question, Lordship will kindly see is it is evident from their answer. They never scanned through that, Malad, scope, which I said that it is out of the syllabus. They said that the answer is right.
No, they also say that it is within the syllabus. This
Malad,
is what
that-
the
Your Lordship will see where I did not find this because if the-
paragraph 7, it is said somewhere.
The moment I am saying this question is correct, how will it come?
question must be correct. Why the question will be wrong?
Please. Allow
Because
me.
I said, Malad, it was out of the syllabus.
Petitioner accepted furthermore the objection question number changed, but while petitioner says all options are correct. Where have you mentioned in the report that yes, it is within the syllabus? Have you mentioned
Because
any?
if the questions are correct, that means it is within the syllabus.
No.
B and D are correct.
How can that be?
B and D are
There-
correct.
See, somebody appearing in class 2 given a question of class 4. The question is correct, the answer is correct. But for class 2, it is out of syllabus. It is,
See, whatever is out of syllabus,
Ah.
we have given that note in the expert report also.
where is that?
Can you see that?
Where is that? In the expert report, there is not a single mention about out of syllabus.
Kindly come to the expert report, question number 5. Second one. Question is wrong.
Question is wrong.
Is wrong means we have expert has said the question is wrong.
That is wrong.
Wrong.
That doesn't mean it is, even in syllabus, it can be a wrong question.
Yes, in syllabus are, but when grading itself, A and D, that means it is within the syllabus.
No.
No, ma'am. Not
You think it, yes.
Just a minute. Give me 1 minute. Kindly come to Miller.
They are part of the report.
Page.
Second line, an email.
Email.
And this is to solicit your kind assistance as required for reviewing the preliminary model answer key of the recently concluded 22nd SLT 2025, which is in West Bengal for class 9 and 12, home management and home nursing. We uploaded the preliminary keys as suggested by paper setters moderators after the examination. And this review exercise has been carried out in terms of the grievance are basically of whether though all of them may not be relevant for your subject. Grievance that the choice in the preliminary key is wrong. Option B instead of option C in the opinion of the candidate. Most grievance that the more than one choice in the preliminary key are correct. Grievance that none of the choice in the preliminary key is correct. Grievance that the question itself is wrong. Grievance that the question is out of syllabus. And grievance that the English version and the Bengali version has different meaning. On this, the report has been given. There will be short for whether it's out of syllabus or not. Then similar, expert 2 has come.
Yes.
No, that is a general mail. That is a completely general mail, my lord.
What do you mean by general mail? This is being mailed to the expert and you say it's
Absolutely.
general?
But Lordship sees it is completely a general allegations. It is not with respect to specific question. If that would not have been the case, then I would not.
Madam, kindly cast.
Manad, kindly appreciate Manad here.
Can I just
Petitioner heard the submissions made on behalf of both the parties. Stuff. The issue relates to grant of marks on, not grant, awarding of marks on account of the discrepancies pointed out by the candidate within the stipulated time period in the second SLST, 2025. Stop. It appears that the objections raised by the petitioner was duly considered and the same were not accepted by the expert committee. Stop. Paragraph. The petitioner is aggrieved. Stop. The court is of the opinion that since the experts have formed an opinion and have considered the objections raised by the petitioner, accordingly, there is no further scope for the court to reassess the questions or the answers in the said examination. Stop. In view of the above, the writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
As your lordship. Great.
29. Exception? Copy served? No?
No, perhaps copy has not been served.
Why?
Malad.
What is the grievance?
Yeah, you are asking him, Malad, why copy has not been served, Malad.
This is also the expert committee.
Yes,
What is
Malad.
the
In
objection?
respect of only one question.
Objection.
Yes. My objection to kothay?
Correct answer will be option C and not B. And according to the
But
expert,
subsequently it is found that both answers are correct.
did
But
you
the
get
expert-
marks?
Yes, the expert never says that my answer is not correct. Expert only says their answer is correct.
Sorry.
But the expert,
Please come. The petitioner is
But
aggrieved
my lord, I have annexed the
by the
supporting
manner
documents.
in which
My lord,
the
my answer they have not
expert
considered, my lord.
dealt with the objection filed by the petitioner in the second SLST, 2025 stuff. Submission is that the expert did not consider the study materials provided by the petitioner in support of the submission that the answer made by the petitioner is correct. ঠিক আছে? Paragraph.
My lord, they
I
also
have
never said
heard
my answer is incorrect.
the submission made on behalf of the parties. Stop. And not stop and peruse the report filed by the commission. Stop. It appears that the petitioner objected to question number 4 of series D. The objection was that the correct answer will be option C and not B. Stop. The preliminary answer key recorded that answer B will be correct, but the expert, not but, and the expert concurred with the preliminary answer key. Stop. The court, not being an expert over the subject, will not like to reassess the question or the objection raised by the candidate. Stop.
Shortfall of only 1 mark,
The-
my lord. My answer is also correct.
According
My lord,
to
if they
fails,
consider
that
the
is
both
hereby
answer is
dismissed.
correct, my lord, then
Next.
my lord, kindly consider this aspect only, my lord.
There may be several candidates with 1 mark shortfall. The court is
No,
here.
no,
to
they
look
never
into
said that
this.
my answer is incorrect.
They say A is right, which goes to show that B is incorrect.
No, my lord, but in another question, they have said both answers is correct, my
That
lord.
means both is correct.
If both is correct, my lord, both will go to marks, my lord. That's why-
You do not fall in that category. Yes. Next. This is also the answer script.
Yes, my lord, I would like to file the exception. That's it. I'll file the exception. Give me 7 days time. I'll file the exception.
On the prayer of the learned advocate for the petitioner
It's ready. It's
to file exception to the report filed by the commission, hearing of the writ petition stands adjourned till 2nd February 2026.
27th. Your lordship kept similar matters.
27th, already 27th.
27th.
January.
মিটে যাচ্ছে।
Yes, 31.
আমাদের কোন- না, একটা 27 জানুয়ারি।
But 31 minute time for the
ওর আছে, কি করে যাবো?
31.
but 31 minute time for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is aggrieved by the wrong answer key in respect of only one question, my lord. Petitioner all were successful and were called for the next round of my lord, the selection process, my lord. My lord, I am using my lord, the exception to the report filed by the
Exception to down এখন কি করে দিতে করব আমরা?
Yes. What is the objection?
my lord, in respect of one
Option D.
option according to my lord, the model answer, my lord, option D was the correct answer, my lord.
Yes.
And I have but in the final answer key, my lord, they have stated, my lord, they were B and C were treated as the correct answer, my lord. Since according to petitioners also, my lord, the option D was correct answer, my lord. I had no opportunity, not required for raising any objection, my lord. According to model answer, my lord, also, my lord, the option D was found to be as a correct.
Please come. The petitioner raises. The petitioner is aggrieved by the manner in which petitioners by which their answers were evaluated by the expert committee in SLST 2025. Stop. According to the petitioner, option D was correct. Stop. The experts opined that option B and C were correct. Stop. The petitioner submits that as the as a preliminary answer key found the answer given by the petitioners to be correct. Accordingly, they should be awarded marks for the same. Stop. Paragraph. As it appears that there were several objections. There were as many as 98 objections raised to the answer found to be correct at the preliminary answer key stage. The said question was forwarded to the expert for their opinion. Experts. The experts opined that answer B and C are correct. Stop. The court, not being an expert, would not like to comment on the answer provided by the experts committee. Stop. Next. The court is unable to provide any relief to the petitioner as claimed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Next.
Next is also, my lord, exception is to be given.
Very well, exception is given.
27th.
27th. 32 is same as 30.
Number 33, my lord. I appear for the petitioner.
And in 33, my lords, I appear for the can petitioners. My lords, this pertains to
Yeah.
panel and out of panel, which all my lady is hearing on the
Shruti Babu,
13th.
28.
30 and 32 items. 30 and 32, 28.
Yes, please.
28.
My lord, this
Yes,
is a
yes,
matter
my lady,
where, my lord,
30
on,
33,
there was a direction.
this is out of panel and panel, my lady.
All right.
Actual, my-
This is a matter, my lord, where I have prayed.
All right.
My lord, in this
panel.
These are untainted candidates.
last
my lady.
tainted matter,
These
it
are
was
untainted
today, your
candidates.
lordship may take it up on 13th. I to
13th,
suppose that there was a direction for affidavit, my lord.
That has
Let
been
them, no, not they, that has not been given by the commission.
Let that be given.
Let that be given
We
today.
have filed an application in.
My lord, I have some
Ladies,
objection
passed
on
a
addition of
petition
party.
that these panel issues be heard on the 13th. There are already 4 petitions listed on the
Indicated that
13th.
Lordship will hear everyone. So,
Respondents were directed to file opposition. You have not filed.
No,
In all matters, you all file it. Is it ready?
this matter they are taking time. No, my lord, I.
I have also filed a. Yes. But that is there in paragraph 23 also. Kindly. look at-
Your lordship will be hearing another set of matters involving, I am told, that
Yes,
involving identical question. If this is very bad, together, that is my respect.
My lord, in item in 13, the matter which has been fixed, affidavits have been given, we have also filed our reply. The matter, that matter is ready.
Addition of party may be allowed. Your lordship
Copy not
By your order dated 10th December, you had said that the affidavit in opposition.
My lord, this is the matter
23rd.
where.
This is the out of after
Yes,
Out
Yes,
of
after
panel.
expiry is under
Yes.
challenge and petitioners are praying for publication of a list of first and second phase of counselling other than everything. These are the two specific prayers and their candidature may be cancelled because several, and my lord, I am a successful candidate.
and was this matter taken up to the Supreme Court?
No, this matter was
No,
not
no.
taken up to Supreme.
Your
No one has
Ladyship is
challenged this
hearing all
matter.
of these on the 13th. Your ladyship is hearing all these matters on the 13th. There are 4 other petitions listed therein.
Allows the can, subject to your lordship's consent.
No, that is being allowed in all the
You
matters.
all are opposing or lie on the same footing as that of the petitioner?
Opposing.
Opposing.
But now we would be affected because our appointments are, my lord, after third counseling.
Representing the third counseling candidate.
Yes.
We are phases
Well,
4
according
to
to me,
7.
up to second
The
counselling
appointments
is
are
better.
phases 4 to 7.
According to me. According to me.
You may be.
Counseling phases 4 to 7. Rounds 4 to 7.
Yes.
Third counsel within the valid.
He may be given
My lord.
opportunity to file affidavit.
Yes.
My lord, my prayer is
How many
this.
applications are there?
I have can 1.
7.
My lord, all
I
copies
am
have not been
7.
received.
1 to 7, our 5.
1 to 7.
Mine.
7 applications you have filed.
No, our 5.
My lord,
Rounds 1 to 7, my lady. In panel is 1 and 2. And
1.
4 to 7 is out of panel.
My admission can 7.
There are 7 applications in the list. Allow each of them.
My lord, kindly record that I oppose it. My lord, kindly record on my.
Acha,
Copy shop.
My lord, and all copies are not being.
copies will be directed to be served. Acha, लिखूं ना अपनी 7 connected applications have been filed in the instant writ petition. Seeking addition of party. Stop. Learned advocate representing the writ petitioner opposes the addition. Stop. Paragraph. As it appears that any order passed in the instant writ petition may have rippling effect on the others. Accordingly, the court thinks it fit to allow all the applicants to be added as parties in the instant writ petition. Stop. The department is directed to make the necessary addition at the earliest. Stop. The application for addition of party shall be forthwith served upon the learned advocate representing the writ petitioner,
If not served.
It's been served.
if not served earlier. ঠিক আছে? Next হচ্ছে the respondents and the added parties will be at liberty to file affidavit in opposition by 6th February 2026. Reply, if any, by 12th, list on 13th. The other matter is on 13th?
13 January, my lord, January.
13 January, my lady. 13
Yes.
January. The other one.
13 January.
13, 1-3.
My
1-3.
lord, kindly tag this.
1-3 January is
Petition should be served upon us.
Only the cause title.
Cause title is, we do not know the cause title.
Cause title, amended cause title.
First title.
Cause title.
Your lordship is keeping it on 13th February, but other matters are coming up on 13th.
other matters are 13 January.
Come, whatever will happen, will happen. I do not think it will be finished in a day.
And that's
It
the
will
reason.
take time with so many parties over here.
And then, my lord,
I am fixing up matters on staggered basis so that these matters and other matters are also taken up. Otherwise, the second SLST matter is going to consume the entire court's time and other matters cannot be taken up. Right?
my lord, the fact.
No, 13th.
Your lordship will be taking up the other matters on 13 January. My lordship, we will remind your lordship that these matters may be posted.
Let
Of-
it remain.
Lord,
You all
only
also
one thing,
say your
13 day
file-
affidavits have completed.
Listen, very well. Then the stand of the commission is there.
Yes, my lord.
The stand of the commission, the court, I have mentioned that the court will not shut out anybody.
Yes, yes.
I will hear everybody. Let everybody's submission be recorded.
Should be hard on a day, my lord, when your lordship fixed the matter.
No, this cannot be done. Otherwise, this is going to continue.
My lord, but
The understanding is at the end,
Yeah, that was Tito very big.
No, no, no.
Very well, because
The part-
you all will be supporting these candidates.
That's the
yes.
I can understand.
and I have to make, do not kindly excuse me, I have to make my time. That's the-
Yes, yes, you make your time.
But when-
It is 34?
So,
34?
But,
34?
my lord, the amendment,
My lord, only one thing, the amendment may be done by the department.
Yes, yes. Amendment, it has been mentioned. Department will do it.
my lord, and the affidavit they have not,
This is
affidavit the commission has not given in this matter. Let them serve the affidavit.
They have not prepared. They will prepare it and serve.
We are prepared.
Okay, okay.
They have not prepared it.
We are prepared.
Yes, 34. 34.
Grateful, my lady. Grateful.
On 12th December, my lord passed the order in this matter.
Yes.
My lord,
Petitioners have been found to be disqualified on ground of overage.
my lord, kindly see para 14 onwards on 12th December order.
Yes.
Para 14 onwards, my lord. Reliance has also been placed on a judgment delivered on such and such, such and such. Para 15. The Supreme Court
Yes.
in aforesaid matter observed that it is desirable that the state selection board and the bodies conducting the public
Has an
Selection.
opposition been filed?
7 days. Give me 7 days.
Acha, on the prayer,
Interject with the other matter.
on the prayer of the learned advocate representing the commission, time to file the affidavit stands extended till how soon? How soon? All right. Tahale for the respondents korun, not only the commission.
Give me 2 weeks, man. Give me 2 weeks time.
All right. 30th of January, 30.
my lord, but
If any, within a week thereafter. List on 17th of February 2026.
my lord, another important aspect in this matter is that, my lord, in camera proceedings, my lord, in my
Mhm.
lord's order on 15,
Yes, yes, in camera
para
proceeding.
15, my lord,
Yes,
15,
yes, I have seen that.
ঠিক আছে? Interview process, my lord,
কবে?
my lord, this is, my lord,
নেই নতুন করে
Of
Because it's in-
use of camera, because I tell you, lordship, here camera, etc. In outside to the press, everything is disclosed. And unfortunately, my lord, your lordship will,
Why will you bother what is being said outside?
sometimes it is difficult for us. My lord, only I
The Supreme Court has opined
Yes,
that it
you
should
find
be in
this-
camera.
yes.
It isn't
Supreme
3rd
Court judgment
December
is-
2025, the judgment, it has been mentioned that it should be in camera. It is recorded in the order.
this is although it is a desirable. Yes, this order has been kept in evidence.
No,
Order.
This order. Supreme
show the
Court-
order.
No, just in 1 minute. What I will show out, what I will not show, that you.
Obviously,
You don't dictate.
because of that, my lord, if the Supreme Court order, I am submitting before the I am before the court, my lord. In each and every matter, my lord, if you are a senior advocate, that's why you show the red eyes. It is not work. It is not every time. It is not work.
Please slow. Everybody is hungry.
2 hours I argued a matter. court
All
has
right.
said, I am with you, Mr. Bandopal.
Yes, it's all right.
Is to consider.
Yes.
I kept the judges' desire. I kept the judges. This is a respect to the judges.
Yes.
He's going on saying outside.
See,
One must be
what
fair
he,
and normal.
what he says outside is not a matter to be taken inside.
These types of order, one was challenged and it has been directed to be kept in evidence.
Which one? State of Meghalaya? Ajay Hasia, which one?
No. Your lordship's order are
No, the Supreme Court's order.
Supreme Court's order. I am not about Supreme Court's order.
This is what is recorded in the see the last order of the court. You are mixing up matters. There are so many you are mixed up. Acha, whatever is there, please see and follow it. ওই মামলাগুলোকে ডাকুন তো।
No. Against this order, we have filed the SLP. Similar
That is pending.
Pending and similar order has been passed.
I do not know where is the similar order. Please show in this matter.
No.
Nupur Ghoshal. Nupur Ghoshal.
I will show you.
You are mixing up things.
Mixing up.
Nupur
Yes.
Ghoshal affidavit, the SLP file.
Yes.
Order.
Shall be filed, but not yet.
Not order passed. No order passed.
No. SLP filed. It is under
Consideration.
verification.
All right. Go. Yes. Call. Old matters.
SLP number.
Yes. Now you go for your recess.
SLP number 638 of
All right. Go. Din.
638 of 2026.
All right. You all go. Finish. Finish.
My lord will not sit after.
No bench though.
I am thinking so. This is the reason I am continuing. Old matters.